Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing how to sign up for a Flick account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Flick account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address flick.social and hit on enter. And then we'll be redirected to the home page of Flick account over here like this, where you can see the sign in and the try for free button available at the top right corner of the screen, as well as the get started for free button. To sign up for the Flick account, you'll be required to click on either the get started for free or the try for free button. So let's just click on the get started for free. And over here guys, this is the registration to your Flick account. So in order to continue, you'll be required to enter your email address, your full name and your password, or you can just simply log into or continue to your registration with your Google or your Apple accounts. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or your Apple will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, then you will have created or registered for a Flick account with your Google or your Apple IDs. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address. I'll be just entering my credentials like this, and let's enter our full name guys. And over here enter your password. And guys, after entering your email address, your full name and your password, simply click on continue and your account will be created. And on the next step, you'll be required to customize your Flick account, and a verification link will be sent to you on your email ID which you entered over here. Mine one is this one, and click on that verification link, and after the verification link has been verified, you will be able to use your Flick account with ease. And there guys, this is how you create your Flick account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.